Okay, so today I built a chatbot for Digify, which will be used by the users of this SaaS system, retail management system. And today we will gonna test it on runtime to summarize a sales report for B2B, and we'll see what it responds with. And here's the data. It is showing that total orders are 53 and total revenue is around 533,540. And we're gonna confirm that either it is what it shows. So yeah, the total revenue is 5,33,540 or 533,000, and total orders are equal to 53. Here we can also see in executions as well that it went to fetch B2B sales report and fetch the data here. So you can see that the chatbot is working perfectly, and thanks for watching.